Hello guys, it's George here. Welcome back to my UI UX design challenge. Unfortunately, I recorded this design process, but I ran out of space on my external hard drive, and yeah, I designed it, but the screen just got corrupted, so I can't access the file, and I wanted to record again the screen even if it's completed to show you guys that I designed this screen. It's related to Smoothies, which shows you different Smoothies recipes with image, with the name and some informations like time it takes to do the smoothie ingredients and how many calories. So, and here at the bottom it's a list with all the ingredients. This is the screen, guys. I did it, but as I told you, the file just got corrupted because I ran out of space, and that's it, guys. So sorry about that. um, I will explain a little bit about the process. As you can see, here is the title of the screen, like I'm using in any iPhone 10 design app that I do. Here it's one recipe that shows the current one in the middle. I did a feather here, like a drab shadow with this color but darker, and I did 70 amount of feather and opacity 17 to look like this. And also I did the rounded corners right here, some icons with a nice color. This is the color, and I think the rhythm is good. The font sizes, it looks like a colorful. It's clean because white background, in my opinion, makes it clean. And also here are the ingredients with the icons related to the ingredient. So here is milk. It shows an icon with milk, strawberries, and banana. Yeah, that's all, guys. Just a simple screen. It took me almost 1 hour to do that. Um, and that's it, guys. I will put a link to Dribble, guys, to see the screen, to see it better. And really sorry about what happened. And thank you very much for watching.